Vicky here with you, and today I'm here to do the month of July and the month of August and the month of September for my calendar. So we're finishing off with a summer theme, so I made this little drink. And then for fall, I thought the apple, and I was thinking of the going back to school type of vibe. So that's what we're going with. So these images, as I've mentioned in all the previous videos, are all handmade and then digitalized and then hand colored with Copics. So they're all unique, and as you can see, they've all been colored, and I'm thinking that these make a really beautiful special gift. So if you're interested in the calendar, check out in the description box below. If it's still available, there should be a link for it. And so I'll finish with that. And I'm thinking of doing two back-to-back blue backgrounds, but with different accents. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do both at the same time, because why not? And as I said, I'm gonna make it different in other ways. So put that there, and then I'm gonna put the other one. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing these. I wasn't sure I was gonna share all the videos with you guys, but then I figured why not, and I had gotten you guys used to having a daily videos, so thought it would be nice to have some videos, even if it's not daily. This being said, I don't know how close apart I'm going to be airing these, so maybe we'll have gotten daily videos this past week. I'm not sure. Depends also on my editing and everything else. That's the part that honestly, like, it was taking a long time editing all the videos for the month of November. Because it's one thing to do the month, but then you still need to do the editing after, and that's the part that, you know, can get long. Okay, come on. Okay, so here. Oops. Okay, so we've got that done. And it's a little bit tight. Just remove a little bit sliver. Okay, so for the month of July, I thought of going with the bright yellow. Then I've got the glass, but I also have a sunshine, like a sun, and I would have had the chair. Now I'm just not sure how I can place all of this in this and still make it fit. So let's say I was to do this here. Maybe I could put it really high up. It's still not gonna work. I really need a big space for this drink. So then I think I'm going to forget about the chair, but I'm going to put the sun like that, because this is going to be too big. But that would be pretty, and it would be sunshiny, and I think it would work. So now at least the other image that I'm using, the apple is going to be very small, so we should be able to fit a little bit bigger sticker, possibly. Here we go. And then of course this had to happen. That there. So if you want the tape jungle tape, why is it not sticking? You can find the links in underneath my video. I don't have any affiliation with them, but I just think they're much better price than the tapes that go into these, because they're very expensive, these, and I don't know, I just find that you're paying too much. So Tape Jungle has really good tape for this. Okay, so put this here, and then put my glass here, right there. So here we go, we've got the month of August done, and now we're going to do the month of September. So for the month of September, I have this paper here that I thought was kind of fitting with school theme, so maybe I can use that and put September. Kind of like that. I could put the apple here. Let's see. And I have all of these here, which are creative memory stickers that I've had for a while. They're a bit big. But I could put a crayon like this. That would work. So maybe that would be a good idea. So let's cut this down. I'm not going to put that there. And put this down. Put my apple. And then put the crayon right over here. Pencil, I should say. do have a box of crayons. Okay, so I'm going to use this. So that's my month of September. So we've got 2 more months done, and now we've got 3 left, and I'm going to be doing those in one video. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the series so far, and I will see you guys soon for the last 3 months, which is October, November, and December. Love you guys. Bye.